India is located in the southern part of Asia. It is the seventh largest country and the second most populated country in the world. India is a vast country. It stretches about 3,200 kilometers from north to south and about 3,000 kilometers from east to west. It is surrounded by water on three sides: the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. India's landscape is very varied. It can be divided into 6 physical divisions. To its north are the high mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the northern mountains, the northern plains, the Great Indian Desert, the peninsular plateau, the coastal plains, and the islands. The Himalayas form the northern border of India and are the highest mountain range in the world. Many rivers have their source in these mountains. The northern plains lie to the south of the northern mountains. Here the land is flat and fertile. This is why many food crops are grown here. The Great Indian Desert, also known as the Thar Desert, is in the northwestern part of India. This is a dry, sandy area that receives very little rainfall. The Plateau region, it lies to the south of the northern plains and extends till Kanyakumari, the southernmost tip of peninsular India. India has a beautiful coastline on both its eastern and western sides. The coastal plains occupy the land between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea in the west, and the land between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal in the east. There are island chains on both sides of the Indian peninsula. The islands found in the Bay of Bengal are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and those found in the Arabian Sea are the Lakshadweep Islands. We know that India is a big country with a large population. There are more than 1 billion people who live in Indian villages, cities, and towns. In order to run it efficiently, our country is divided into smaller areas. These areas are called states and union territories. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. The capital of a state is the most important town or city in the state, as it is the seat of the government of that state. New Delhi is the capital of our country. The offices of the government of India are based in New Delhi. The President, the Prime Minister, and other ministers of the central government and officials live here. Unity and diversity. We have seen that India is a land of diversity. This is visible in its different landforms. The climate also differs from place to place. Some places are very hot, while some are cool. Some places receive little rainfall, while others receive heavy rainfall. India's diversity. People in India belong to different religions, tribes, and races. They speak different languages, wear different dresses, and eat different foods. In spite of all these differences, we are all united, and we call ourselves Indians. There is unity in diversity. Our neighbors. India shares a common boundary with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, Nepal, Bhutan, and China in the north, and Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east. Sri Lanka and the Maldives lie to the south of India. These countries are India's neighbors. To strengthen ties with its neighbors in South Asia and to promote peace and unity, India has joined hands with them to form an association called SAARC, the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Now let's recall. India is located in the southern part of Asia. India is the seventh largest country by land area and the second most populated country in the world. There are 6 physical features of India: the northern mountains, the northern plains, the Great Indian Desert, the peninsular plateau, the coastal plains, the islands. India has unity in diversity. India has good relations with its neighbors. Our neighbors are North, Nepal, Bhutan, China; East, Myanmar and Bangladesh; Northwest, Pakistan and Afghanistan; South, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Choose the correct answer. 1. Which ocean lies to the south of India? A. Pacific Ocean. B. Atlantic Ocean. C. Indian Ocean. D. Arctic Ocean. The correct answer is C. Indian Ocean. 2. What are the 6 physical divisions of India's landscape? A. Mountains, rivers, plains, deserts, plateaus, islands. B. Northern mountains, northern plains, Great Indian Desert, peninsular plateau, coastal plains, islands. C. Forests, valleys, lakes, dunes, grasslands, volcanoes. D. Tundra, savanna, taiga, steppe, chaparral, coral reefs. The correct answer is B. Northern mountains, northern plains, Great Indian Desert, peninsular plateau, coastal plains, islands. 3. Which of these is also known as the Great Indian Desert? A. Gobi Desert. B. Sahara Desert. C. Atacama Desert. D. Thar Desert. The correct answer is D. Thar Desert. 4. What phrase best describes the unity among the people of India? A. Unity in diversity. B. Unity in uniformity. C. Sameness in diversity. D. Division in diversity. The correct answer is A. Unity in diversity. 5. Which of these is India's neighbor in the west? B. Bhutan. C. China. D. Pakistan. And Nepal. The correct answer is D. Pakistan. Identify who I am. 1. I am the highest mountain range in the world. Himalayas. 2. I am a group of islands located in the Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep Islands. 3. I am a city in which the offices of the Government of India are located. Delhi. 4. I am India's neighbor to the northwest. Pakistan. 5. I am a neighbor of India to the north. Nepal, Bhutan, China.